Hi, welcome to 9 by Mirvac. I'm Ben Perry, the project manager on this incredible project in Willoughby. Here at 9 by Mirvac, we're building 442 apartments across 10 buildings. We've been on site since November 2020 and you can see already how much progress we've made. All the old Channel 9 buildings and studios have been demolished, including the 233 metre TX transmission tower. We've completed a lot of the services infrastructure works, as well as the excavation and civil works for stage 1 of the project. If you take a look at the sandstone cutting, you can see just how far we've excavated. It's been a big operation with a massive circular saw making precision cuts into the stone. To level off the site, we've had 6 30-tonne excavators remove around 150,000 cubic metres of fill, which will be repurposed in a variety of ways. The lower levels of the basement have been formed and poured, and we are forming up the first of the residential slabs. It's a big 3.2 hectare site with the tallest building only 9 stories, so we've gotten quickly through the residential part of the structure. One of the big challenges on this project is that we'll be constructing 10 buildings simultaneously over a single interconnected basement. But we're looking on track to achieve our construction targets of the first stage completion mid-2023 and the later stages towards the end of the year. Thanks for joining me on the tour of this construction site. We'll have more for you as the site progresses.